Now be sure to sit upright, hold on to the handles, and prepare for your final splashdown. Your ride will end in a shallow water pool. No jumping or diving from your raft. We hope you are enjoying your ride so far on Big Daddy Falls. Now be sure to sit upright, hold on to the handles, and prepare for your final splashdown. Your ride will end in a shallow water pool. No jumping or diving from your raft. We hope you are enjoying your ride so far on Big Daddy Falls. Now be sure to sit upright, hold on to the handles, and prepare for your final splashdown. Your ride will end in a shallow water pool. No jumping or diving from your raft. We hope you are enjoying your ride so far on Big Daddy Falls. Now be sure to
Oh, hold on. Open wide. Hey, let's move backwards.